Planter Technology recommends the use of BioGuard, which prevents roots from growing into the reservoir. Place the BioGuard square into the bottom of the cup. When using the CWC 1500 and 1800, cut a small hole in the BioGuard to fit around the drainage adapter. Be sure to observe precautions on packages of BioGuard. Before you start, check that the white tip is at the end of the sensor, then dip the tip in water for 10 to 15 seconds to moisten. Drape the sensor over the edge of the container to keep it out of the way during planting. Use moist potting soil. We use a mix of at least 1/3 peat, 1/3 coarse organics, and 1/3 sand or perlite. Avoid mixes with finely ground organic materials. Start by packing the soil into the cups and onto the bottom of the CWI or CWI Classic. Remove your plant from its nursery container and place into the CWI. Adjust the soil level at the bottom so that the crown of the primary root ball is 1/2 to 1 inch below the fill hole. When planting the CWI Classic with its drainage overflow adapter, you may need to create a space in the bottom of the root ball for the adapter. Pack the soil very firmly into spaces around the plant. To place the sensor, make a 45-degree hole with a large screwdriver or soil probe. Remove the probe and push the sensor into the hole. The sensor should be approximately 1/3 to 1/2 way down into the container. The tube should not loop, kink, or bend. Pack the soil very firmly around the sensor. When putting underplantings around a large plant in a CWI or CWI Classic, pack the soil up to the level where the smaller plants will sit. Remove the underplantings from their nursery containers, position, and pack soil firmly between them. Then plant the sensor. You will need to top water the smaller plants lightly for the first 2 to 4 weeks until their roots have a chance to grow into the moisture zone below.